Share ko lang yung natanggap kong dalawang packages from Sun Life, from GoWell Marketing. So, si GoWell is a partner of Sun Life pagdating sa Preventive Wellness Program. So, paano ka rin ba makakatanggap nito? So, pwede kang mag-avail actually ng traditional plan ni Sun Life. Pwede kang mag-avail ng health insurance plan. It's either Sunfit and Well or Sun Senior Care. So, si Sunfit and Well is a comprehensive health plan, Sun Life, with 114 critical illnesses, with cash benefits, and payable in 10 or 15 or 20 years. Ang issue age niya is 0 age to 60 years old. Si Sun Senior Care naman is a health insurance plan for our senior citizens with 17 advanced common critical illnesses. Yan, payable in 3 or 5 or 10 years. Ang issue age is from 50 to 70 years old. With cash benefits din siya and with 1 year free medical coverage. So, meron silang preventive wellness benefit, which is yung GoWell website. You can earn points and redeem items. Yan. So, dun sa website nila, pwede kang manood ng mga video exercises, tutorials, and perks. Yan. Sa mga nag-gym dyan, meron mga discounts. Pwede kang matin ng events and may mga tips for healthiness. So, itong natanggap ko is a GoWell mason jar. Yan. Ganda, diba? Ito namang isa is yoga blocks. Yan, with bag. Yan, so yung gusto mong mag-yoga dyan, magagamit nyo dito. Ganda, diba? Dalawa siya. Yan, so if you are interested to avail your health insurance, yan, so message mo lang ako or comment down below. Thank you!